hourly broadcast. Hi everyone. Okay, let's start the introduction of the CNC plate drilling machine. And our customers, do you remember Clarissa and Bella? We make an introduction about CNC lathe before, and I think after our introduction, you will know more. You will more details about CNC lathe. So today we make an introduction about the CNC plate drilling machine. Hope you can know more details about these machines. Bella, what's the main processing technology of the CNC plate drilling machine? Do you know?
Yes, from the name, the CNC plate drilling machine mainly does drilling processing. Of course, it can also process the milling.
Yes. The main processing technology of the CNC plate drilling machine, and it's mainly the drilling, and it also can make milling processing. And Bella, do you know what's the main part of the CNC plate drilling machine we are processing?
Yes, the CNC plate drilling machine mainly processing plate, tube sheet, flange, and valve.
Yes, the CNC plate drilling machine can process in more types of the workpiece. Our customer, do you want to know the processing technology of the CNC plate drilling machine or the workpiece of the plate drilling machine? And I think you will follow us and follow our new broadcast, and we will give you processing technology or the workpiece of the CNC plate drilling machine. Okay, let's start the introduction.
Yeah.
Today we will make an introduction about the CNC plate drilling machine from the four aspects. The first is the machine types. Bella, do you know the okay, let's see the next. And the second is CNC plate drilling machine, the difference, and make a comparison. And the third is machine details. And in this part, we will make a detailed introduction about the CNC plate drilling machine. And the finally is the CNC plate drilling machine application industry. And because our customer want to know if our introduction can use CNC plate drilling machine, and we will give you an answer, and which industry will use CNC plate drilling machine. Okay, let me see the first part is the machine types. Bella, do you know what are the types of the CNC plate drilling machine?
Yes, I know. The CNC plate drilling machine mainly divided into three types. Yes,
it's mainly divided into three types. Do you know the three? How is the three types, and do you know their difference?
Yes, it is divided by the spindle speed. Is standard speed, standard speed with high configuration and high speed.
Yes, the CNC plate drilling machine is divided into the three types, and the first is standard speed CNC plate drilling machine. The second is high speed CNC plate drilling machine. The third is standard speed with high configuration CNC plate drilling machine. And the three types of the CNC plate drilling machine have some difference. And next we will let our customer know the detail of the difference. And Bella, in the picture, can you see some difference in the three types of the CNC plate drilling machine?
No.
Yes.
It is not clearly.
Yes, only in the picture we can't see the difference and the details about the three types of machines. So next we will show the details. Yeah, the first type is standard speed CNC plate drilling machine. And the standard speed plate drilling machine, our customer can see the picture, and they have one spindle. The work table have a semi appearance protection, and we also have the control box to control the CNC plate drilling machine. And this machine is the CNC machines. And they also show some pictures about the standard speed CNC plate drilling machine. And the color of the CNC plate drilling machine is usually use the yellow. And if our customer wants to choose another color or some colors our customer like, and you also can tell us, we will give you we will arrange our factory to make a machine painting. And we have a video to show our customers the standard speed CNC plate drilling machine. Yes, let me see the video. As in the video, we can see the standard speed CNC plate drilling machine is make drilling processing on the plant board. And we can see the speed is not very quickly, and the spindle speed is not very high. And with the processing, I think our customer can see very clearly the process of the drilling processing. And if you want to see again or want to know the details of the standard speed CNC plate drilling machine, and you can ask Bella, and
Yes.
She will give you the videos. Bella, do you know, because this machine is standard speed CNC plate drilling machine, and do you know the spindle speed of the standard speed CNC plate drilling machine?
Yes, I know. The spindle speed of the standard speed plate drilling machine is 120 revolution per minute to 516 revolution per minute, right?
Yes, you are right. The standard speed CNC plate drilling machine, the spindle speed is 130 to 560 revolution per minute. And in the picture, I think our customer can see very clearly the spindle speed. If you want to processing to make some drilling processing and don't need a high spindle speed, you can choose these models. We also have a video to show the spindle speed. It's a low speed CNC plate drilling machine. And you can see the spindle, the processing speed. I think in the video our customer can know the spindle speed is very clearly. And if you want to see the control panel about the spindle speed, and we also can show you. You can contact us, and we will give you the videos to show the control panel of the standard speed CNC plate drilling machine. Yes. Okay, let me see. Because different machines have different models of this machine. So we also have some standard models of the standard speed CNC plant drilling machine. Bella, can you introduce the machine models of the standard speed CNC plant drilling machine?
Yes, let me introduce the CNC plant drilling machine. Yearly product model. It was ALPZ 1016, ALPZ 2016, and ALPZ 3016, and ALPZ 2020, ALPZ 2040, and ALPZ 3030.
Yes, Bella have introduced the Euro product model, and this model is have some main parameter. The first is work table. The work table size. Our customer can choose suitable models according to your workpiece size. For example, the ALPZ 1016, this model, the workpiece is 1000 times 1600 millimeter. And for another example, the ALPZ 2040, this model of the mixed workpiece is 2000 times 4000 millimeter. So our customer can choose different models according to your workpiece size. And next parameter our customer will more interested is mixed drilling depths and mixed drilling diameter. Our standard CNC plat drilling machines, the mixed drilling depth is about 5 millimeters. If our customer your workpiece the thickness is less than 5 millimeters, and you can choose the standard speed CNC plat drilling machine. And the mixed drilling diameter is about is less than 50 millimeter. So if you so in the two parameter, if our customer have a workpiece and the thickness is less than 5 millimeters, the requirement of the drilling diameter is less than 50 millimeter. You can choose standard speed CNC plat drilling machine. And in the parameter, our customer can see the spindle speed. Yeah, it's all the 150 to 560 revolution per minute. Yes, they also have another parameter of the machines. The cooling system, the hydraulic system, they also have a parameter details in the picture. And if you want to know more details or more parameter about the standard speed flat drilling machine, our customers can contact us, and we will give you the technical solution of the offer of the special models. Yes, there is also the electric system and the machine size and the machine weight. Bella, I have a question. If I have a workpiece and the size of the workpiece is 1,800 times 1,500 millimeter, and the materials of the workpiece is steel. The thickness of the steel is 4 millimeter. And I need to make a drilling processing. The drilling diameter is about I think about 20 millimeter. So can you recommend machine models for me?
Okay, I think I can recommend the ALPD 2016 is this model because there suggests that the work table is 1,800 by 1,500 millimeters, and the ALPD 2016 work table size is 2,000 by 1,006 millimeters. So it is suitable to the workpiece.
Yes.
And the drilling hole diameter, this ALPD 2016, this model can drilling the hole diameter is 50 millimeters, and the drilling diameters of the workpiece is 20 millimeters, so it can support, yes.
Yes, I think you recommend the ARPG 2016. This model is suitable for our workpiece.
Yes.
So thank you, Bella. If our customer have another side of the workpiece or another requirement about the processing, and you can tell us, and we will give you the models of the machines according to your workpiece, according to your processing requirement. Okay, let me see the next types of the CNC plant drilling machine. The next type is the standard speed with high configuration CNC plant drilling machine. In the picture, our customer can see very clearly this machine have two spindles, and the machine have a little different from the standard speed CNC plant drilling machine. And we also have a video to show our customers the standard speed with high configuration CNC plant drilling machine. Yes, in the video we can see very clearly this model is this spindle is different about standard speed CNC plant drilling machine. And the machine is do the drilling processing, and we can see the drilling processing details. And the spindle is the BT40 spindles, because it's this machine is made to meet our customers' requirement. So it's very different models and for according to the CNC plant drilling machines. Yes, I think our customer can see the details. The diameter of the processing is about 32 millimeter. Yes, and the calling system, our customer in the video, I think our customer can see very clearly. The calling is the word calling, and its calling types is internal calling types, because when the machine drilling, the temperature will be very high. So the internal calling system is used for the drilling processing. I think our customer can will know these details very well, because our customer is very professional.
Yes.
Yes, our customer can want to see the details, and this machine is ordered by our Indian customers. This video to show our customers the test of the machines, because our customer want to know the processing and the accuracy of the machine processing. So before the machine before deliver the machines. Our factory will test the machines to our customers. Only the machine test is meet our customer requirements. The machine will deliver and will go to our customer's factory.
Yes. In the video, we can see clearly the spindle speed is more faster than standard speed.
Yes, the spindle speed of the standard speed with high configuration CNC plate drilling machine. And next we will introduce to our customers the details spindle speed.
Okay.
Yes, next I will also to show the machine processing, the workpiece details to our customers. Yes, in the picture we can see this machine have two spindles in the machines, and it's because our customer choose two spindles. If you want one spindles or more spindles, and you can tell us, we will our factory will according to your requirements to produce the CNC plate drilling machines. And in the picture, our customer also can see the machine color is white, and the standard speed CNC plate drilling machine, the color is yellow.
Yes.
Because this machine is the color is also according to our customer requirements. He want to buy a machine with a white color, so our factory to paint the white. So if our customer want to another colors, it's also okay for our customer, for our factories. And in the machine workpiece, the work table is also a different design for the CNC plate drilling machine to meet our requirement, our customers' requirement. Bella, do you know the standard speed with high configuration machines? This is the CNC plate drilling machines, the spindle speed, because in the video you see the spindle speed is different with the with the standard speed, the CNC plate drilling machine.
Yes, I know.
So can you speak to our customers the spindle speed?
Yes, the spindle speed of the standard speed with high configuration CNC plate drilling machine is 13 configuration per minute to 2,000 revolution per minute, right?
Yes, you are right. The standard speed with high configuration CNC plate drilling machine, the spindle speed is 30 to 1,000 revolution per minute. And in the two picture, our customer can see the machine have different structure, and this machine is a very difficult machine for the CNC plate drilling machine. Do you want to know the standards, the models of this standard speed with high configuration CNC plate drilling machine?
Yes, of course.
Okay, let me see the models. Better you can see in the models. This only have one model.
Yes.
Yes. This machine now only have one model. Is the ALPZ 2040. These models. Why this standard speed with high configuration CNC plate drilling machine only have one model? Do you know?
Yeah. No.
Okay, we will tell to our customer why this type CNC plate drilling machine only have one model. Because this machine is so suitable to our customers. He want to have a high accuracy processing, but he don't have more budget. So our factory designed this model for our customers can meet our customers' special requirement. The different parameter of these models is different about the standard speed CNC plate drilling machine. Let me see the first. The workpiece side is similar. It's the side is also the 400 millimeter times 300 millimeter. Because this machine have two spindles, so the workpiece side only have a little different. The workpiece can process in two pairs. The size is 2000 millimeter times 2000 millimeter. If our customer wants to process in 4 pieces, the size is 2000 times 1000 millimeter. Yes, these are different. The first difference. The second difference is the material thickness of the workpiece. The mix thickness will reach the 100 millimeters. And the next difference, the next main difference is the mixed drilling disc. Mixed drilling disc is more than is about the 100 millimeters, and the spindle is equipped BT40 spindle, and the drilling hole of the diameter is about 40 millimeters, and it's less than the standard speed CNC plate drilling machine, because the standard speed plate drilling machine is about 40 millimeters. And in this parameter, our customer can see clearly the spindle speed is the mixed spindle speed is 2000 revolution per minute. And this machine is also have equipped the coiling system, a hydraulic system, and the electric system is also equipped. And in the machines and the machine weight is also it also have a more weight about the standard speed CNC plate drilling machine. Okay, next is the high-speed CNC plate drilling machine. The high-speed is the name of the machines, and our customer will know the speed of the machine will be very high.
Yes.
And in the picture, our customer will also can see the details. The spindle is very different about the machines, and the control system is also different about the standard speed CNC drilling machine, because the machine have the standard speed CNC plate drilling machine have a control box, and the control panel is on the high speed CNC plate drilling machines. And our customer also can see the high-speed CNC plate drilling machine, and we also have a video to show our customers the details. As in the video, our customer can see the processing of the high-speed CNC plate drilling machine. And we can see the spindle is very high. Okay, let me see the video again. Yes, in the video we can see the spindle is very bigger, and because the spindle speed is very high, to meet this requirement, so the spindle is very big to meet the high spindle speed. Better the spindle of the high speed of the CNC plate drilling machine, and in the video we also to see the drilling speed.
Yes.
In the video you can know the spindle speed.
No, but I know the spindle speed of the high speed CNC plate drilling machine is 30 to 3,000 revolution per minute, right?
Yes, the high speed spindle speed, the high speed CNC plate drilling machine, the spindle speed is 30 to 3,000 revolution per minute, and it's a very high speed for
Yes.
the CNC plate drilling machine, and it can achieve some more high accuracy processing about the workpiece. In the picture, our customer can see the spindle very clearly. The spindle is very. I think in the picture, our customer can see the spindle is very big and have a very high standard to achieve the high spindle speed, to achieve the 3,000 revolution per minute, the spindle speed. And we also have a video to show our customers the spindle speed. Yes, I think our customer in the two videos, and you can see the same machines, and the machine is to drilling the tube sheet. Yes, in the video, our customer can see the spindle very clearly, and the machine details. And in our factory, our customer is visiting our factory to see these machines. Our customer will have a question why the spindle have a plastic protection in the video, because when the processing the water cooling and the workpiece chip will damage some parts of the spindles, and in this part we protect the spindles to avoid damage, and to make the machine have a long processing time for our customers. Okay, the high speed of the CNC plate drilling machine also have some standard models. So Bella, you introduce to our customer the standard models to our customers.
Okay, let me introduce the high-speed CNC plate drilling machine. We have many types of the high-speed CNC drilling machine. Here we introduce the several models. ALPHD 1016 and this, and ALPHD 1020, ALPHD 2016, and ALPHD 2020, ALPHD 2040, and ALPHD 3016. These 6 models.
Yes. In the parameter, our customer can see the machines only have some mainly parameter. The first is also the workpiece size, because different size have different workpiece size. The ALPHD 1016 the workpiece is 1,000 times 1,600 millimeters, and the ALPHD 3016, the workpiece size is about 3000 times 1600 millimeters. And the next different about the standard speed CNC plate drilling machine and the standard speed with high configuration CNC plate drilling machine is the first one is the max thickness. The max thickness, the high speed CNC plate drilling machine can reach 200 millimeters. In the parameter our customer can see the 200 millimeters. The standard speed only have one spindle, and the drilling hole is about the two diameter to the 40 diameters, and it also less than standard speed CNC plate drilling machines. And the spindle speed our customer can see very clearly 30 to 3000 revolution per minute. And the spindle main power can have two operation types. The first is 7.5 kilowatt. The second is 15 kilowatts, and it can choose according to our customers' requirements about the spindles. Yes, they also have showed another parameter about the machines. Because for example, the machine size, and our customer also knows the ALPHD 1016. These models, the work table size is 1000 times 1600 millimeter, but the size is about 2550 times 2350 times 2600 millimeters is more bigger than the workpiece. And this parameter shows the position accuracy and the reposition accuracy. If our customer have some requirements about the machine accuracy, and we also can show you the details. So in the pictures, we introduce the machine parameter of the high-speed CNC drilling machines. And this machine is also have another bigger models. For example, the ALPHD 4040, these models, or ALPHD 5050, these models, or more the ALPHD 6060, these models. It's according to our customers' workpiece to meet different standard models, high-speed CNC plate drilling machines. Bella, I also have another question.
Okay.
It's about the machine models. If I also have the machines, the workpiece, the size of the workpiece is also the 1800 times 1800, and the mixed thickness of the workpiece is 100 millimeters. And I want to drilling the workpiece is about 30 millimeters. So can you recommend very nice models to meet our requirement to achieve our workpiece?
Okay. Because Claire research just said the workpiece of the size, work table size is 1800 by 1800 millimeters, and the thickness of the workpiece is 100 millimeters. So I think I can recommend the ALPHD this model 2020 because the work table size is 2000 by 2000 millimeters. The workpiece is 1800 by 1800 millimeters. So this can very suitable of the workpiece. And the thickness, this model maximum thickness is 200 millimeters, and the workpiece is I remember is 100 millimeters, right?
Yeah.
So this is also suitable to the workpiece. So I recommend this model ALP HD 2020.
Yes, I think according to the Bella's requirement, I think the machine models ALPHD 2020 is very suitable for me.
Yeah.
So I will buy these machines.
Yeah.
If I have a workpiece meet the requirement, I think I want to buy these machines. So our customer, do you want to buy these machines from us from Bella's? So you can contact us, and you also can follow us.
Yes.
Follow us. Okay. Okay. We have introduced the different types of the CNC plate drilling machines. Bella, do you remember the three types of the CNC plate drilling machines?
Okay, I remember. It's standard speed with high configuration and high speed.
Yes, I think our customer will know very well the three types of the CNC plate drilling machine and the different details about the spindle speed. Next we will make an introduction about the three types of CNC plate drilling machines, the main difference, and we will make an introduction about the machine comparison about the CNC plate drilling machines. Bella, because from our introduce, do you know the difference about the three types CNC plate drilling machine?
Okay, just Clarissa said the introduce of the three models. The difference of the three models is spindle speed.
Yes, you are right, because in the introduction about the machine models, and we make an introduction about the spindle speed.
Yes.
So the mainly different is about the machine spindle speed.
Yes.
The standard CNC plate drilling machine, the spindle speed is 120 to the 560 revolution per minute.
Yes.
The spindle speed with high configuration machine, CNC plate drilling machine with the spindle speed is 30 to 2000 revolution per minute.
Yes.
And the high speed CNC plate drilling machine, the spindle speed is 30 to 3000 revolution per minute.
Yes.
And the machine, the three types machine also have other difference. So next we will make an introduction about the other difference. The first is the spindle types. The standard speed CNC plate, the standard speed machines. In the picture, our customer can see very clearly the standard speed, the spindle. The spindle is about the hydraulic spindle, and it not use the models, and we can see the details. The standard speed CNC plate drilling machine, the spindles. the spindle is adopted the hydraulic power spindles, and it's controlled by the hydraulic station. And the hydraulic station is already used most for yes, these models. In the picture, our customer can see this spindle is controlled by the hydraulic station, and the hydraulic station is our factory is usually use the most for these models to equip on the standard speed CNC plate drilling machines. The next standard speed with high configuration CNC plate drilling machine is equipped in the picture. Our customer can see is equipped with BT40 spindles, and the spindle quality can choose by our customers, and because in the ALPG 2040 these models, our customer choose 2 spindles in these machines. And in the standard speed with high configuration, these machines, the spindle is adopts the high precision spindles, and this spindle is controlled by the servomotor. This spindle is usually use the BT40 spindle to make a processing, and we have a video to show our customers the BT40 spindles. Yes, in the video, our customer can see very clearly the 2 spindles. The 2 spindles is all equipped with the BT40 spindles, and the spindle speed is about 20. About 30 to 2000 revolution per minute.
Yes.
We can see the processing, the drilling processing, and this machine is use the external cooling system, and our customer can see the brew tube, and the cooling will spread from the brew tube, and to make the processing the temperature of the processing will be low. And we can see in the videos. And this spindle is controlled by the servomotors. Internal of the spindle box, the servomotor in the spindle box to give power to the spindles. Yes, we can see the processing very clearly. It can processing it have with the high precision about the processing, and it has the high accuracy of the workpiece. And next we will show our customers the details of the workpiece and the surface of the workpiece. If our customer want to see the videos and want to see the details of the videos, I think our customer can contact us, and we will give you the videos to show the every details of the machines. Yes, we have showed the different direction of the processing, the front different direction and the left direction. And we also have other direction about the machines to show the processing details. And this machine is also have the semi-protection about the machines to protect our workers or our engineers, and to make the processing more safety. In the video, our customer also can see the spindles is up and down, and the in the Z axis the travel to make the machines, to make the processing, and the two spindles is controlled by the same times, and it can make processing in the same times. The two spindles to processing the workpiece in the same times to achieve to achieve the high processing and high effective. Okay, let me see the next details. Next is the Spindle Types is a high-speed CNC plate drilling machine. And the high-speed CNC plate drilling machine, this machine is ordered by our Indian customers. This model is the ALP-HP 2016, these models. And in the picture, our customer can see the spindle. The spindle is usually used the BT40 or BT50, the two models. And we have a video to show our customers the high-speed CNC plate drilling machine, the spindles. As our customer can see the spindles very clearly, the spindle speed is very high.
Yes.
And this machine is not a very big machine. It's a very so this machine have a small work tables to order by another customers. Yes, in the picture, I think our customer can see the spindle very clearly. This machine is choose the BT40 machine models. In this part, the spindle is have a mark about BT40. These models. If you want to see the more details pictures about the BT40 spindles, I think Bella will send the picture to you, and
Yes.
In the picture you can see very clearly in this part. Okay, the high-speed CNC plate drilling machine, the Spindle Types, adopt the high processing spindle, and it also controlled by the servo motor. It usually use the BT40 and BT50 spindles. And we have a video to show our customers the BT40 spindles, and the machine power, the spindle motor power is 7.5 kilowatts, and it's and the drilling diameter about the 40 millimeters, and the thickness of the machine is about 200 millimeters. As in the video, our customer can see very clearly. This machine is the controlled by the servo motors, and the power of the servo motors is 7.5 kilowatts. And this spindle is the BT40 spindles. Is the BT40 spindles. Yes, the machine speed is also very high.
And this tube is cooling system.
Yes. In the video, do you see the internal cooling or external cooling?
External cooling system.
Yes, you are right. Okay, the picture shows the machine servo motors about the high-speed CNC plate drilling machine, and this shows the hydraulic station about the machines, because high speed because this machine is equipped with the hydraulic 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 clamp. So this machine is also equipped with the hydraulic station, and the spindle controlled by the servo motor. The power of the servo motor have two operation types. Where do you remember the two types?
I remember the is 7.5 kilowatt and 15.
Yes.
15 kilowatt.
Yes, you're right. Our customer have two types to choose. The first is 7.5 kilowatt. The second is 50 kilowatts. Okay, next is the machine tools. The standard speed CNC pad drilling machine only can equip the twice drilling head for drilling processing. Twice drilling head, and this machine is only can make drilling processing. And we have a video to show our customers the machine tools. Yes, in the video, our customer can see the twice drilling tools, and the standard speed CNC pad drilling machine only can drilling. It not can make another processing or media or other processing. It only can make a drilling. So our customer I hope you can remember these details. If you choose the standard speed CNC pad drilling machine, you only can use these machines for the drilling process workpiece. Yes, it shows the machine details, the twice drilling tools. As I think our customer can see very clearly. And the standard speed with high configuration, this machine can equip the different types of tools and can change for the drilling, milling, or taping or other processing technology. So if our customers want to choose the machine can drilling or milling or taping, I think and you have a not very high budget. I think standard speed with high configuration CNC pad drilling machine is suitable for you. And in the picture, they have many different machine tools. Next is the high-speed CNC pad drilling machine. The high-speed CNC pad drilling machine it also can achieve the drilling processing, milling processing, taping processing, or other processing, and it have more high. It have a higher accuracy about the drilling, milling, taping, the processing, and we have video to show the machine tools. Yes, we can see the machine tools. It have a very long machine tools. Yes, in the video, our customer can see very clearly. The machine tools are very long and it can achieve because the thickness of the making thickness of the high-speed CNC pad drilling machine can achieve the 200 millimeters.
Yes.
So this machine can equip a very long drilling tools to achieve the deep hole drilling machines. Yes, it also shows the tools of the high-speed CNC pad drilling machines. Next different about the three types of machines is the tool change release. The standard speed only can change the machine tools by the manual, and but the tool change is very easy, and it has 1 or 2 seconds. Our engineers can operate the manual tool change within the 1 or 2 seconds. And we have a video to show our customer, but the video is don't equipped in the pictures. So if you want to know the videos about the tool changer of the standard speed CNC press drilling machine, and you contact Clarissa and contact Bella. We will send the video to you. And the standard CNC press drilling machine, the tools is it's equipped with the quick track change, and in the picture our customer can see very clearly. And the standard speed with high configuration CNC press drilling machine have the automatic tool centers to make automatic tool change. These models can both have the automatic and the manual. These two can choose by our customers. Because the standard speed with high configuration CNC press drilling machine, the standard models don't equip the automatic tool center, but it can equip the automatic tool center. The standard speed counter can equip the CNC the automatic tool center. So these models can choose the automatic and the manual leads to about the tool change. The high-speed CNC press drilling machine is the same with the standard speed with high configuration CNC press drilling machine. It both the automatic and manual method can be chosen, and it also can equip the automatic tool center, and it also can change the tools by the engineers. Okay, the next difference is the working performance about the workpiece. The standard speed in the picture, our customer can see very clearly. In the workpiece surface, the drilling with the burrs and the workpiece surface is slightly rough, and they have many chips in the workpiece surface. And we have video to show our customers the processing the workpiece surface. Yes, we can see the videos, the processing, and the workpiece. I think our customer can see very clearly the surface of the machine have many chips, and the surface of the workpiece is have some burrs and is not very smooth. This workpiece is slightly rough. And the machine, because the standard speed CNC press drilling machine only can equip the twice tools. So the workpiece, the surface has some burrs, and the internal of the hole only not very smooth. The internal of the hole is rough. And we have another video to show our customers. Yes, let's show the details. But the diameter of these machines, and it also can achieve 50 millimeters. It's either in the in the processing, I think our customer can know the processing details. And if you want to know the workpiece details and the workpiece in the video our customer can see very clearly. The tools have some bars. Yes, we can see in the tools they have some bars, so the processing is not very smooth for this machine because the spindle speed is not very high. So the processing is not it can't achieve very smooth processing. If our customer have some workpiece and you want to see our machine the processing technology, you can tell us and give us the driving of the workpiece, and we can make it simple for you to send you some videos to show your workpiece the processing the processing. Yes, we have seen the standard speed, the working performance, and next we can see the standard speed with high configuration CNC flat drilling machine. In the picture, our customer can see very clearly the drilling surface is smooth.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very different. Let me see the picture again. The drilling surface and this drilling surface. It's very different. And we also have a video to show our customers. And this machine is drilling the steels. And yes, we can see our engineers show the details. The surface of the machine of the hose is very smooth,
Yes.
and it not have more bars in the workpiece. I think if our customer have some requirements about the machines and you can choose these models. And another video to show our customers. It's also to show the videos. This video to show our customers the thickness of the workpiece is 30 millimeters, and the drilling hole of this processing is 35.3 millimeters. And we all know the standard speed with high configuration CNC flat drilling machine can drilling the mixed drilling hole is about 40 millimeters. Okay, let me see the next, the high-speed CNC flat drilling machines. The drilling surface is very smoothly, and it's like a mirror. Yes, the small it's because it's very smooth, and the processing surface is like a mirror. And we also have a video to show our customers. Yes, in the workpiece, our customer can see very clearly. The workpiece surface is very smooth. It's very smooth, and I think in the workpiece, and you can see yourself. So our customer do want to see yourself in our workpiece. I think you can, if you want, we can make a video for you to see the mirror effect, effect about the workpiece. And in the video, our engineer is make to the quality of the machines. And in this part, I think our customer can see very clearly. It's to the machine testing about the machine quality. Okay, let me see next video about the high-speed CNC plate drilling machines. Yes, this is shows the high-speed CNC plate drilling machine is the making the milling processing, is not drilling, is milling. Yeah, let me see again. Yeah, it's the milling the workpiece. In the first video, we see the mirror effect of of the workpiece, and in the second videos, we also show the quality test about the machines, and the second video we show the next processing about the machines, the drilling processing. If you want to choose a machines with the drilling milling tipping, and also have a workpiece like a mirror, and you can choose the high speed CNC plate drilling machines. Yes, next is show some workpiece about the machines. This workpiece is shown to our customers from India. This because this machine is ordered by our Indian customers in the last because the Indian customer comes to our factory to test these machines, so we make a workpiece testing to our customers. And in the picture, I think our customer can see very clearly the processing surface about the workpiece. Yes, because this machine is a CNC plate drilling machine, but it not only can processing the plate, it also can processing the tube sheet or the flange or not other workpiece. And in the picture to show the tube sheet, and the thickness of the workpiece is about the 50 millimeters, about 50 millimeters of the workpiece. And we have a video to show our customers. Yes, in the video we can see it's not it's a very smoothly workpiece, and show the workpiece smoothly, and have many drilling holes, and the whole diameter is about the 20 millimeters. Yes, our customer, if you want to process this workpiece, I think high-speed CNC plate drilling machine is very suitable for you. Okay, let's see the second video. Yeah, second video to show the processing of the workpiece, and it's also a round workpiece about these machines. And if you want to know the tube sheet or flange drilling of the high-speed CNC plate drilling machine, and if you want to know the videos and want to see more details, and follow us and contact Clarissa and Bella. We will give you more videos about different workpiece and different thickness and different drilling diameters. Okay, next is show a very high thickness of the machines. It's about 2,000 millimeters, and to show the high spindle speed to drilling a very high thickness. Yes. In the video, we can see very clearly the thickness of the workpiece. Cassie, sorry, can you stop the videos? Yeah, in this part, the thickness is about 200 millimeters. Yes. And if our here's the picture. I think our customer can see very clearly the surface of the workpiece is very smooth, and I think it's very beautiful workpiece for our customers. And if our customer wants to really have a more thickness of the workpiece about the three hundred millimeters. If you want to processing this workpiece, you also can choose the high speed CNC press drilling machine, and you can drilling in the two direction, and but the two holes will have some difference, and if you don't have have a high accuracy requirement, and you can choose these machines because this to make this processing is very suitable for you, and you can have a low budget about the processing, because if you want to choose a deep hole drilling machine, that machine will have a more budget about the to purchase. But if you choose the high speed CNC press drilling machine, it also can achieve the processing, can save your money. Yeah, can save your money. Okay. Because we have introduced the different about the three types machines.
Yes.
Bella, do you remember the many different about the machines?
Yes. The main difference of the three models is the difference mainly is spindle speed, the spindle types, and the equipped cutting tools, and the tools change method, and the working performance.
Yes. We have introduced the spindle speed, the spindle types.
Yes.
Do you remember the spindle types?
Spindle types.
The standard speed CNC press drilling machine equipped the hydraulic station. Yeah, it's controlled by the hydraulic powers, and it already uses Morse 4, this hydraulic. And the standard speed with high configuration CNC press drilling machine controlled by the servomotor, and it usually equipped the BT40, these spindles. The high-speed CNC press drilling machine is equipped also controlled by the servomotor. It can equip the BT40 or BT50. These spindles. It's the mainly different about the spindle types. And the second is the tool changer.
Yes.
The standard speed machine only can change the tools manual, and the standard speed with high configuration and the high speed CNC press drilling machine can choose the automatic tool center, or also can change the tools by manual. And Bella, I have a question. Do you know the types of the automatic tool center capacity?
Yes, I know the tools can equip the 16 tools or 20 tools or 24 tools.
Yes. Our customer can, according to your processing requirement, to choose different capacity about the automatic tool center. The 60 tools, the 20 tools, and the 24 tools, and also can choose. And the next is processing surface of the workpiece. It also have different. The standard speed CNC plate drilling machine have some burrs, and the surface is very rough.
Yes.
And the standard speed with high configuration CNC plate drilling machine can the processing surface is very smooth. And the high speed CNC plate drilling machine, the surface of the workpiece is like a mirror. It's very different about the three machines. And the three machines have their advantage, and the standard speed machines, because this machine can achieve the simple drilling processing, so it have a low cost, and so the cost is effective. So it's the mainly advantage of the standard speed is cost effective. The standard speed with high configuration can this machine improves the efficiency and the accuracy on the base of the ordinary plate drilling machine. So this machine it can achieve the high accuracy, and it don't have a very high price for our customers. So it's middle types of the two machines. It's very suitable for many customers. The high-speed CNC plate drilling machine is very useful and very good processing effective for our customers. And it have a high efficiency processing, and it have a high accuracy. And we have videos to our customers. And in the video, this customer is our customer from the Uzbekistan, and to show the drilling video, to show the drilling processing. Yes, we can see the workpiece, the surface of the workpiece. And we have introduced three types CNC plate drilling machine, and the main difference about the three types of machine. So next we will give our customers introduce the machine details, and what the machine equipped what parts, or the parts have about your machines have some have some advantage, or some details, and our customer also want to know. So next we make an introduction about the machine details. Okay, then first.
Okay, let's introduce the control system of the CNC flat drilling machines. Our standard system of the CNC flat drilling machine is KND. Last time we introduced the CNC list. The CNC list machines standard.
Yes, I know. I know the CNC list machine. The standard control system is the GSK.
Yes.
And the GSK also have different models. For example, the GSK 980TC3.
Yes.
Or the GSK 988.
Yes. And our we have our vertical motion center. Our vertical motion center control system standard system is Siemens 808 D.
Yes, you are right. You remember it very clearly.
Our control system have different levels. It is divided the high level, middle level, and domestic. This is the high level. It is Siemens. There are three kinds of the Siemens control system. It's 840, 828D, and 808D. I just said our vertical motion center system control system standard is this Siemens 808D.
Yes, you are right.
Yes, you can see the pictures.
Yes, they have different types of the Siemens control system, and they have equipped many different control system about Siemens. And if our customer needs Siemens control system, it also can be equipped for your CNC machines.
Yes. And this is also the high level is FANUC.
Yes, Farnock CNC control system is from Japan.
Japan.
Yes. The main usually model is 0IMA or the MA series or the TMA series. So according to different budget or different requirements, the Spindle CNC control system also can choose different models.
Let's go on. And this is middle level. There are three types. It's Mitsubishi, Panasonic, and Yaskawa.
Yes. The Mitsubishi, Panasonic, and Yaskawa. Bella, do you know the three brand is from which country? Do you know?
It's from Japan.
Yes.
It's from Japan.
Yes. The Mitsubishi and Panasonic and Yaskawa is all from the Japan. And it's the three types CNC control system, also the Japanese control system. Yeah, Japanese companies.
And this is a Chinese brand as well as a domestic Lanak, GSK, KND, and Syntac. And this is also have the pictures.
Yes, the Lanak from Shanghai, the GSK from Guangzhou. I think I have some interesting about the Lanak CNC control system, because I think it's different for other Chinese brand CNC control systems.
And this is the Linux system. This control system is from the technology is from Japan, but it's Chinese, but it's a Chinese brand. So if a customer has want to the high technology, but his budget is not very high, you can choose the Linux, this control system.
Yes, Bella have introduced many brands of the CNC control system, and because you said the standard control system is Candy, if I want to choose Linux or FANUC or other or Siemens, if you can meet our requirement.
Yes.
If our customer wants to choose different control system, it also can. Our factory also can meet your requirement to choose different brands of the CNC control system, because we have many operation about different control system. So if you need, we can meet your requirement. And the Siemens and the FANUC is all famous about our customer to choose, and the Mitsubishi, Panasonic, and Yaskawa is also famous for many customers to know. The Japanese brand and the China brand CNC control system is also good for our customers because they have more functions. And you don't have pay more for open the function. It's very convenient for you to use the to use the Chinese brand CNC control system, and the GSK CNC control system now in the Germany or the North America also have a service center for our customers to choose and to provide the after sales service. So it's also convenient for our customer to choose. Yes, the next details is because our standard CNC control system is candy. So this picture shows the candy control panel, and the candy CNC control system have a control box beside the machines, and the control panel can make the some processing about the machines, and if you want to processing some details, to processing some workpiece, you can use the U-disc to connect with the candy control panel and to achieve the processing. Yeah, it's very useful and very convenient. It's easy to operate. Yeah, next is the control box and control cabinet. As in the picture, I think our customer can see very clearly the details. And if you want to know the details, or if you want to know how to operate the control system, and if you buy the machine, we also send you the operation manual about the control system, about the CNC plate drilling machines. So don't worry, our customers. The next is electric box. In the picture, our customer can see very clearly the electric box is have some variant, and the variant is very easy to find which variant is control which part, because the mark is very clearly for our customer to find the question. If some parts have some questions, and our customer can very easy to find in the electric box, and which variant it controls the machine parts. For example, the hydraulic station or the lubrication station in the electric box also can very easy to find the variant. Yes, in the picture, our customer can see the electric box very clearly. And the electric box have many electric components, and the components we already use two brands. The first is Schneider, the second is Dulles. The Schneider machines, the Schneider and Dulles is also very famous and very familiar for our customers, because in the CNC plate drilling machine and all other CNC machines, the Schneider and Dulles, the two brands, the electric component is very useful. It's very widely used for our customers. Why our factory choose Schneider and Dulles? Because the two brands is very easy to find in the locally. So if the electric component have some damage, or you need to change electric component, it's easy for you to find the same brand or the same electric component in your country or in your city or in your locally. It's very easy for you, and it is also very convenient for you. So we choose the two brands. The next detail is the boss screw, and in the picture we can see very clearly the boss screw in the machines, and the boss screw is the function of the boss screw is used to the transmission, and the Gundry transmission and spindle transmission, and XYZ different direction transmission is also used for the boss screw. So the boss screw is very important for the machines. And yeah, you can see the leaning guide and the both screw is very clearly for our customer to see. The next is show the leaning guide. The brand of the both screw is from Taiwan. The Taiwan the Haven this brand is also very famous and familiar for our customers. It's a very famous leading guide and both screw manufacturing in the world in China and in the world. So they use this brand to ensure the machine quality and also ensure the use of our customers. Yeah, next picture is show the leaning guide and the foot. Yeah, this part. And the leaning guide is a picture. I think our customer will see very clearly. The green hole in the leaning guide is is a mark for the Harvard brand because their brand the leaning guide with grey holes. It's very clear for our customer to see. The next is the leaning guide and slider. The leaning guide and the slider to show our customers. Yeah, the leaning guide and slider, and this part is the chip drawer. Also for the transmission, for the machine's transmission. It's to ensure the machine processing the accuracy of the processing. So it's the part of the machines is also important. Yes, it also should. Bella, do you know this part?
This part is foot.
Yes, the leaning guide and the leaning guide and the slide and the leaning guide and the foot is also very important for our customers for the machines. Yeah, the next is the rotors and because the high speed and the standard speed with high configuration CNC pleasure machine also can equip the automatic tool center, and the automatic tool center can use the disc types automatic tool center, or it also can choose the rotor center. Yeah, so you can see. Our customer can see how many tools in the picture. I think we can show our customers. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, the rotor center is can choose the 10 machine tools for our customer to make a tool changer. Okay, next important machine detail is the workbench, and the workbench divided into two types: the hydraulic step up, hydraulic. In the picture, our customer can see very clearly. The hydraulic work table use the hydraulic clamping to make the workpiece to clamping the workpiece to make the to standard the workpiece to make the processing. Yes, this also shows the hydraulic work table. Yes, this part. Because the tube will connect by the hydraulic station, so it's very clearly to see if the work table has a hydraulic have some tube and has some tube. This to show the hydraulic work table. Yes, in the picture, I think our customer also can see very clearly the hydraulic work table and the hydraulic clamp to clamp the workpiece to make the spindle to processing the workpiece, and we have video to show our customers. Yes, In the video, we can see the hydraulic, let me see again. The hydraulic clamping tool clamps the workpiece and the hydraulic tube to provide the power of the hydraulic cap to cap the workpiece. So why we introduce the high spindle speed use the cell motor, but it also equips the hydraulic station because the hydraulic work table will need the hydraulic station to provide the power to clamping the workpiece. Okay, the next is also another hydraulic work table. This part is the hydraulic station. It's a hydraulic clamping to clamping the road workpiece is about the flange, the tube sheet, or the or the valve to clamping this workpiece. Yes, it also run the hydraulic work table, the hydraulic tube, the hydraulic clamp, and this part is also a very special hydraulic truck, hydraulic work table, and the scope of the application is small, and it can be used for a large number of processing of the same kind of the workpiece. And the thickness of the workpiece is it's less than 80 millimeters, and which have a certain restriction on the size of the workpiece. Yeah, it's a very widely used for the CNC plate drilling machine.
Yes.
And that's the work table is the T-shirt work table. The T-shirt work table is usually the T-shirt work table have a more cost than the hydraulic work table. So the T-shirt work table have some advantage. It have a high rigidity and a wide range of application, and is suitable for customers who need to process many different types of workpiece. We have video to show our customers. If you have many different types of workpiece and you want to process in many different workpiece, and you can choose the T-shirt, T-throat CNC plate as the work table to meet your requirement. So different requirements suitable for different equipment. So you can according to your requirement to choose different machine details. Okay, next is the lubrication system. Lubrication system is also the automatic lubrication, and when some parts need to lubricate, the lubrication system will send the oil to the part and to achieve the automatic lubrication. It's a very automatic for this part. And the next part is the hydraulic station. And the hydraulic station has some different use for the machines. The standard speed CNC plate drilling machine, the spindle will need a hydraulic station to provide the power to achieve the spindle move or spindle processing. And the high-speed CNC plate drilling machine will need the hydraulic station to achieve the machine, the hydraulic work table to make to extend the workpiece to achieve the processing. So the hydraulic station is also important for the CNC plate drilling machine, but it has some different functions. Next is the handle remote control, and the handle remote control is usually by manual to control some machine details and machine parts that don't controlled by the CNC control system. The next is the oil follow divider. The oil follow divider, yeah, our customer can see. In our machines, they have some many different oil follow divider. This part is usually used connected with the lubrication system to achieve the automatic lubricate. So it is also important. The next is the junction. And this part we have made an introduction. This part is used for the transmission about about the machines, and it the junction and the both screw and the leaning guide also used for the machine transmission to processing the accuracy and the move of the machines. The next part is the chip convenience. Because when the processing, there have many chip when the processing. So the chip convenience will sort out the chip and to make the chip don't damage the machine parts, and to protect the workers and to protect the machines. So it's also important for the CNC plant drilling machine. Okay, next part is application industry, and because our customer will have a question, the CNC plant drilling machine is used for which industries the CNC plant drilling machine will use for, and today we make a simple introduction for our customers. The first is sheet metal or the machine sheet industry, and the plat part is used to the sheet structure, iron tools and iron beams or others. And in the picture, our customer to see if you in the sheet manufacturing industry, and the CNC plat drilling machine is very useful for you. Yeah, the next is the boiler industry, and if our customers in the boiler industry and you want to processing the boiler parts or sheet metal or other parts, it's also very useful for you. The next is palladium industry, and if you want to processing the oil station, and it's also used for the oil station to make some details processing or some machine parts, some parts or some tool parts for you. Okay, the next is for the machining the porous parts such as the super long laminated plates and longitudinal beams, structural steels, and tubular parts, and it's also very important in the picture. Our customer also can see very clearly. We make an introduction about the foil industry, and it's also used for another other industry. If you want to make sure your industry, if you whether your industry can use CNC plat drilling machine, or your workpiece is suitable to use the plat drilling machine, I think the good bit is to ask Clarissa and Bella and follow us, because in our account we usually to update some machines or some details, some pictures, videos to show you. If you have interest, you can contact us, and we will give you more details about different machines and different types. Okay. Also, I have another as the flange. To processing the flange, the tube sheet, the plate, or other processing is also very useful. Okay, today we make an introduction about the CNC plant drilling machine. They have three types: the standard speed CNC plant drilling machine, the standard speed with high configuration CNC plant drilling machine, and the high speed CNC plant drilling machine. And we also make an introduction about the difference about the machines, the spindle speed, the spindle types, the machine tools, the tools changer, and the advantage and the workpiece, the workpiece surface. And we also introduce the details of the machines. I think our customers will know the machines. And if you have another questions, and if you want to know about the technical solution or the offer of the special models, and I hope you can contact us or leave message for us. We will give you a reply in time, and we will give you more details. Today we make an introduction about the CNC plant drilling machine. If you want to know more details about the other CNC machines, you can focus our live broadcast and focus our account, and we will have more live broadcast about other machines. So if you want to know other CNC machines, you can leave message for us, and we will introduce the machines for you next time. So our customers, see you next time.
See you next time.